our surroundings. Learning about change of state of matter. Change of state of matter. Matter can exist in three physical states: solid, liquid, gas. We can change physical matter in two ways. 1. By changing temperature. And 2. By changing the pressure. Effect of change of temperature. Activity.
Latent heat of fusion.
Solid to liquid change. Take about 150 gram of ice in a beaker and suspend a laboratory thermometer so that its bulb is in contact with the ice. Start heating the beaker on a low flame. We note the temperature when the ice starts melting. It is found to be 0 degrees Celsius. On heating, the ice starts melting to form water. We keep on recording the temperature of melting ice on the thermometer every minute. Now, put a glass rod in the beaker and heat while stirring till the water starts boiling. As more heat is given, more ice melts to form water, but the thermometer recording remains at 0 degrees Celsius. This shows that there is no rise in temperature during the melting of ice. The process in which a solid substance changes into a liquid on heating is called melting or fusion. The temperature at which a solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. As heat is given, the temperature of water rises gradually until 100 degrees Celsius is reached. At the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, water boils and starts changing into steam, which is a gas. The heat which is going into boiling water but not increasing its temperature is the energy required to change the state of water from liquid to gas or water vapor is known as the latent heat of vaporization. At this temperature, the liquid starts changing into gas. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure is known as its boiling point. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon. Particles from the bulk of the liquid gain enough energy to change into the vapor state. For water, this temperature is 373 K, that is, 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 plus 100, that is equal to 373 K. Most of the solid substances, when heated, first change into a liquid and then into a vapor or gas. This vapor on cooling first forms a liquid and then a solid. The changing of solid directly into vapor on heating and of vapor into solid on cooling is known as sublimation. Activity. Let us take some ammonium chloride in a china dish on a tripod stand. The china dish is covered with an inverted glass funnel. A loose cotton plug is put in the upper, open end of the funnel to prevent the ammonium chloride vapor from escaping into the atmosphere. The china dish is heated by using a burner. On heating, ammonium chloride changes into white vapors. These vapors rise up and get converted into solid ammonium chloride on coming in contact with the cold inner walls of the funnel. In this way, ammonium chloride collects on the inner side of the funnel in the form of a sublimate and can be removed. Gases can be liquefied by applying pressure and lowering temperature. When a high pressure is applied to a gas, it gets compressed into a small volume, and when we also lower its temperature, it gets liquefied. So, we can also say that gases can be liquefied, turned into liquids by compression and cooling. This happens as follows. There is a lot of space between the particle of a gas. We can reduce the spaces or distances between the particles of a gas by enclosing it in a cylinder and compressing it by pushing in the piston. If enough force or pressure is applied to the piston, the gas is highly compressed into a small volume. The particles of gas get so close together that they start attracting each other sufficiently to form a liquid. And we say that the gas has liquefied. Summary. The states of matter are interconvertible. The state of matter can be changed by changing temperature or pressure. The melting point of a solid is an indication of the strength of the force of attraction between its particles. Sublimation is the change of gaseous state directly to solid state without going through liquid state and vice versa. Boiling is bulk phenomenon. Particles from the bulk, whole, of the liquid change into vapor state. That is all in this subtopic, students. Let us learn more in our next topic. Keep learning!